The Closed Mould Oiling Machine by Aircrete Europe is an automated, closed-loop system developed for precise and controlled oil application in AAC manufacturing. Designed for use in both flat and tilt cake production lines, the machine integrates an L-shaped oiling arm with 5 strategically positioned nozzles, zoned oiling control, and oil pressure spraying to ensure a uniform 360 mold coverage. A heated and circulating buffer tank maintains optimal oil viscosity, while an enclosed filtration and recovery system minimizes oil losses and environmental impact. With cycle times below just 3 minutes, real-time oil consumption monitoring and seamless integration into existing factory automation systems, the Closed Mould Oiling Machine provides a technically robust solution that enhances process stability, product quality and operational efficiency in modern AAC plants. Curious about this solution? Contact us.